Got another two. If you want, another two can come in. There's another two there.
I can take a picture of all three of you if you want.
Maybe I should jump out.
Yeah, I'll get you in. I thought you were all together.
Train fault. Is this all off?
Yeah, everything's off. There's no power in the yard today because safety. Talking about to make announcements.
Oh.
This one.
Hello.
So you've got to press when you take it off. The way it works is you select what function you want to use. So that's your PA. That's to make an announcement. This talks to other handsets, and this one talks to emergency alarms. And then you press that button. See on here? This one. That's your transmit button. So you've got to press one of these for it to work.
Oh, hello.
So if you push this towards me and then pull it down again, pull it other way. Yeah, really pull it. Give it a slam. Ready? Maybe not, because we haven't got a key on. But yeah, these are your traction notches.